Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna show you on how to remove Gamma Watermark for free. Alright, so let's begin. So first of all, open any preferred browser and search for gamma.ai. This will take you to the Gamma AI website, and after that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the homepage, and here you will see all of your recent projects displayed. So simply open the preferred project that you want to export without the watermark. And once the project is opened, you can edit it further if you want. And after you are done with the edits, click on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this will open up a drop-down menu. And from here, select the export option. A new pop-up window will now open up. Scroll down to the bottom of this pop-up and you will see an option to toggle off the watermark by default. This option is turned on, so you need to toggle it off. So to do this, you will be prompted to select a paid plan, but take note that they also offer free trials, so make sure to watch out for that. But if you have the budget, then you can select monthly or annual subscription. And once you complete the payment, you will be able to turn off the watermark option. After that, you can simply download your project file without the Gamma watermark. So that's basically how you can remove Gamma watermark. And I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!